Saxophone, and Mr. Bobby Marasini, the Tasmanian Devil. Stand up, Bob. Let the kids see you back there. He does look like a Tasmanian Devil. We're going to take you back right now to the year 1959. And kids, 1959 was a year that we all knew that rock and roll was here to stay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Rock and roll is here to stay, it will never die. It was meant to be that way, though I don't know why. I don't care what people say, rock and roll is here to stay. Rock and roll will always be, I'll dig it to the end. It'll go down in history, just you watch my friend. Rock and roll will always be, it'll go down in history. Now if you don't like rock and roll, think of what you've been missing. But if you like to bum and stroll, come on along and listen. Everybody have a ball, everybody rock and roll, let's rock. Baby, let's rock and roll, let's rock. Baby, let's rock and roll, let's rock. Baby, let's rock and roll. Come on, Halos, bring the level down a little bit so everybody can hear. Because right now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to introduce you to the rest of the Halos. Oh, they're out there in the crowd somewhere, so I want you to open up a pathway. Here they come. Open up the middle. Watch out, kiddies. Here they come, bringing up the lead. We've got Bubba. Come on. Gibbo. And ladies and gentlemen, let's give a great big Toronto welcome for Mr. Johnny Angel himself. Hey, John. Johnny, let's rock and roll. Hey, wait a minute, John. What happened to the jeans and the t-shirts, man? And the leather jackets? You guys look like you're dressed for the prom. What gives? And how come your jacket looking better than everybody else's, man? I think you playing favorites. Johnny, let's rock and roll. Rock and roll is here to stay. It will never die. It was meant to be that way. Oh, I don't know why. I don't care what people say. Rock and roll is here to stay. We don't care what people say. Rock and roll is here to stay. Way down. You can rock and you can roll and you can stop and you can stroll them at the hop, 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 hop. When the rock is spinning, you can lose with the chicken at the hop, 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 hop. While the cats and chicks can get their kicks at the hop, 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 hop. You can move your river, you can really start to do them at the hop. When the jockey is smooth and the music is cool at the hop. While the cats and chicks can get their kicks at the hop. Let's rock. Let's go to the hop. 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 Let's rock. Now, Kansas City Lift on guitar. You can roll and do the stop and do the stroll and at the hop, 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 hop. When the rabbits are spinning, you can lose a bit of chicken at the hop, 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 hop. You do the dance sensation and sweeping the nation at the hop, 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 hop. You can move, you can really stop and do them at the hop. When the job gets smooth and the music is cool at the hop. Oh, cats and chicks get their kicks at the hop. Let's rock. Let's go to the hop. 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 Come on. Let's go to the hop. One more time. Let's go to the hop. 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 Come on. Let's go to the hop. Toronto. Johnny Angel really appreciates it. He really does. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, we got a song that's about rock and roll royalty entitled The Duke of Earl. And you know what? Royal is how Johnny Angel feels when he stands on that street corner down on the north side of Pittsburgh. Anybody here from the north side? Maybe the north side of Tarentum. Quite possibly you have a place just like the corner of Woods Run and Brighton Road, where Johnny holds court, you know what I mean now? And normally the Halos show him, what's wrong? And I was gonna say they normally show him respect by standing around and backing him up as he sings a little street corner harmony. But Johnny, where are they? Bubba, Gibbo, Come on, Jimbo, get back up here. What's wrong with your buddy Bubba? Bubba? Bubba! Get away from that machinery, man. You know you don't know nothing about no machines. Come on over here. I just said you show Johnny some respect by backing him up as he sings Little Duke of Earl. So come on, don't make me a liar, and don't make Johnny angry. Do it. Duke of Earl. Duke of Earl. Better, Johnny? Duke of Earl. 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 As I walk through this world, nothing can stop the Duke of Earl. If you are my girl, nothing can hurt you. Oh no, yes and well, I really love you. Oh no, nothing can stop me now, 'cause I'm the Duke of Earl. Yeah. And when I hold you, you are my duchess, Duchess of Earl. We'll walk through my dukedom, paradise we will share. Yes, and well, I really love you. Oh no, nothing can stop me now, 'cause I'm the Duke of Earl. Zoot on the sax. Yes, and well, I really love you. Oh Lord, come on and touch me now, 'cause I'm the Duke of Earl. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, how many of you people saw the movie Ghost? It was the big song from the movie Ghost. Wasn't it Unchained Melody? But that was by the Righteous Brothers. Tonight we're going to do the original 1950s version of Unchained Melody. And it requires a bass vocalist. And Bubba, I know you were going to do it, but Johnny looked at me and he said, hey, Peggy, I'm a little peeved with Bubba tonight because he's be acting up. So we're going to let Zoot give it a shot tonight. Not you either, Jimbo. Zoot, you think you can handle it? Easy, Bo. Oh, my love, my darling, I hunger for you. Time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much to you. To the sea, to the underground of the sea. Leave in the side, wait for me. Out, be coming home, wait and see. Oh, my love, my darling, I hunger for your touch you. Time goes by so slowly. much you too
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, my love, my darling, I hunger for your touch you. Touch You saw me standing alone, without a dream in my heart, without a love of my own. You knew just what I was there for. You heard me saying a prayer for someone I really could care for. And then they say, oh, dear, for me, the only one moms could ever hold. I was somebody whisper, please, adore me. And when I know the moon has turned to gold, now I'm no longer alone, without a dream in my heart, without a love of my Get it, sir, to keep your arm down, babe. Thank you. Bye-bye, Zoot. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, we got another song coming your way.
Now, you know what I want to do, Pinky? I want to change it just a little bit, babe.
You do? You want to change it?
I'll tell you what I want to do. I want to take us on a little trip up to Brooklyn, New York, 1959.
Why would we want to leave Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and all these great little river towns, man?
I'll tell you why. You see, in Brooklyn, in 1959, rock and roll was in its infancy. And I can remember we were walking down the street, and on every corner, under every street light, there was guys standing there singing Street Corner. Remember that?
They didn't have no instruments, though, John.
That's right. So I like to do a little bit like we learned when we were up there. Bubba?
Wait a minute, I get to pick it.
Wait a minute,
I hate when he picks it because he always flicks it and it hits me. Bubba, you gross. There's a thrill upon the hill. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There's a thrill upon the hill. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Say there's a house party way across town. The people come from miles around. Put on your pretty red dress. Go out and check on this mess. Oh, that's him, baby, that's him. Do like this. Hey.
There's a thrill upon the hill. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There's a thrill upon the hill. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Do another verse. Say there's a house all the way across town. The people's come from miles around. Put on your pretty red dress. Go out and check on this verse. Oh, that's him, honey, that's him. Do like this. Hey. There's a thrill upon the hill. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There's a thrill upon the hill.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. There's a thrill upon a hill. Let's go, let's go. There's a thrill upon the hill. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And that's acapella.
Thank you. I bet you that's just the way it was, Johnny. Everybody in Tarentum did go up on the hill for a thrill, right? Was there a drive-in theater around here in the 50s?
But you know what? The thing that was crazy about being up in Brooklyn in 1959 was we played the local high school up there, and you never knew who was going to walk on the stage, you know? It could have been somebody to be famous or someone who was just becoming famous.
You're trying to say that somebody who subsequently became famous would have come up on stage with us and we would have been surprised in retrospect.
Piggy, man, what the hell are you talking about?
What I'm trying to say is somebody like the Diamonds might have shown up. You know what I mean?
Like in Little Darling.
My little darling, oh well, are you? How about you wanna run around? Only you. My darling, I need you to call. To hold in mind your little hand. None could be so grand. Please hold my hand. I'm not a favorite. I was wrong too loud. Only you. How about the show that was the winner?
The Diamonds, ladies and gentlemen. Johnny, you know what? I know where you're coming from now. It's starting to come back to me.
You understand me now, right?
I understand the concept now, but I want to ask you this. My memory is a little hazy. 1959 was a long time ago. Would we have run into somebody who became really big? I mean, like Frank Sinatra,
right.
or like
right down the street, Pink, from that Brooklyn High School was a place called the Brooklyn Deli. Remember that?
Yeah, I do, but what does that have to do with music?
Well, there was a guy who used to work behind the counter, and his job was making cheeseburgers. And one day I went in there and he said, you know what, Johnny? He said, one of these days, I'm going to become the king of rock and roll. Ladies and gentlemen, he went just and did that. May I introduce to you, the king.
I can go out and be found sitting all alone, but you can't come around. Please, please, telephone.
Hey, Bubba, hey, Johnny, I don't know what it is, but let's back it up.
Baby, if I make you mad, it's something mighty sad. Please forget my past. The picture looks bright ahead. I don't want no other love, baby. Don't stop thinking of me. I don't want to feel this way. Come on here, love me. You know I want you to stay. I don't want to about you, I love you, baby. Let's walk to the preacher and let's say I do. But then you'll know you'll have me, and I know I'll have you. I don't want to I don't want no other love, it's just you I'm thinking of. I don't want to hey, I don't want to I don't want no other love, but baby, it's just you
Come on, let's hear it for the king, because he's leaving Corona now. There we go. That's it for the king. He's gone. He's leaving the stage. Johnny, what's wrong? Apparently the king doesn't want to leave the stage. Bubba, you... Oh, hey!
Don't be cruel. Oh, excuse me.
There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Now I think we know why the king was so big. The king one more time, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. You were right.
But I got another surprise. Directly across the street from the Brooklyn Deli was what, Pinky?
Why is it that every time we talk music, you talk about places in Brooklyn? I know it was across the street. It was an all-girls junior high school. They didn't even have a marching band, John.
And who used to sit in front of the Brooklyn Junior High School all-girls school?
Besides Al after school?
Yes.
Bubba, you knew. Who was it?
Oh, that was my cousin, man. I bought him his first trench coat.
You're right.
That's right.
I remember.
Well, you know what? He said, I'm the true king of rock and roll, not that guy across the street. Would you put your hands together? Welcome to this stage, Mr. Jerry Lee Jimmy!
Jerry Lee.
gonna shake it, baby, shake it. I'm gonna shake it, baby, shake it. Come on over. Oh, that shake going on. Easy now. Shake it, baby, shake. Woo. Shake it, baby, shake. You can shake it one time for me, baby, shake. Oh, well, come on over, baby. Oh, shake going on. Shake it, baby, shake it. I'm gonna shake it, baby, shake it. Come on and shake it, baby, shake it. I'm gonna shake it, baby, shake it. Come on over. Oh, lot of shaking going on.
Jerry Lee Jimbo, come on, let's hear it for him. You know what, Jerry? These people love you, right? You love Jerry. You want him to do another one? All right, Jerry, whip it out and light it on fire.
1, 2, 3. You shake my nerves and you right on my brain. Too much long drives a man insane. You got my will, but what a thrill. Goodness strange, it's great balls of fire. Let your love down on those money. You came along and you moved, my honey. I changed my mind, and stuff is fine. Goodness strange, it's great balls of fire. Kiss me, baby. Woo. Feel good. Hold me, baby. Well, love me like a love you should. You're fine, so kind. Want to tell us well that you're mine. I chew my hand doing it, I do it on my phone. I really never funny, sure it's fun. Come on, baby. Drive me crazy. Goodness gracious, it's great balls of fun.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, Jerry Lee Jimbo, and how does he do that? Al, what's he playing that piano with?
Kiss me, baby. Woo. Kiss me. Hold me, baby. Well, love me like a love you should. You're fine, so kind. Want to tell us well that you're mine. I chew my nails on it, I do it on my bones. I really never thought it sure is fun. Come on, baby. Drive me crazy. Goodness gracious, great balls of fun.
That's Jerry Lee Jimbo, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, Bubba. Hey, Piggy Man. What? Guess who's here? Hey, I got to tell you folks, man. See, across the street from the high school, there was this little burger joint. And nobody really went there except for me and Zoo, because they couldn't serve or nothing. You know, this stuff was bad. But they had this waitress in there, see? And this waitress just loved me.
That was my girlfriend, Bubba. What you talking about?
You're lame, man. Jump back.
Hey.
Anyway, this chick, she dug me, but we told her, baby, you're doing the wrong stuff. You shouldn't be serving food. You should be singing. So that's what she did. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you the First Lady of Rock and Roll, Miss Ronnie Spector. Hey, Pinky.
Bubba, you just stay away from that woman.
She's mine, baby.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
But you know what? Hey, KC, why don't you take us down Mexico way with some tequila? I got to find me some waitress.
Come on, let's see this shoe dance done properly. Let's hear it for Glenn Corey on the saxophone. Thank you very much. Come on, girls, let's hear a big scream. A big scream now. That's right, because right now I'm going to introduce you to a hidden talent in the band, Mr. Al, Kansas City Lip, on lead vocals. We promised to slow it down and get tender and sweet. And Mr. Al, KC Lip, is the man who can do it. The man of the hour, girls. Whoa. What? That's not the way we rehearsed it, man.
Man, come on, Al. What was that?
Wait a minute, I think, Al, you're saved by the bell. Somebody pick up that phone, man. Who's this?
Hello, babe. Hey! Yeah, this is Big Bob Bubba speaking. Oh, you sweet thing. Do I what? Will I what? Oh, baby, you know what I like. Pretty lace and a pretty face, a ponytail, hanging down, wiggling and walking and giggle when you talk. Make the world go round, there ain't nothing in the world like a big-eyed girl. Make me act so funny, make me spend my money, make me feel real loose, like a long-necked goose, like a girl. Oh, baby, that's what I like. What's that, baby? Cause you know what I like. Chantilly lace and a pretty face and a ponytail hanging down, wiggling and walking, giggling when you talk. Lord, make the world go round, round, round. There ain't nothing in the world like a big-eyed girl. Make me act so funny, make me spend my money, make me feel real loose, like a long-necked goose, like a girl. Oh, baby, that's what I like.
And you, Johnny Angel, where have you been, man?
I went to the little boys' room. Why?
Man, you missed a fight between Bubba and I. There was a woman out here, man. She was good looking. She was what? Crowd tell him. About 6'4", about 235, about 44, 28, 48. I'm telling you, she was good looking, man.
There weren't no fight. I won.
Oh. So what are you trying to tell me? I'm trying to tell you she was a good-looking woman, John. She was supple. I was looking at her.
Wait, she was what?
Supple.
Supple's what you have after lunch.
No, supple is when it's firm yet yielding.
Huh.
Not
you know
for
what? Speaking of which, what we'd like to do right now is it's tradition for the Halos that no matter where we go, we have to do something we call the Halo hand jive. Now, if you don't know how to do it, you just look up here and we're going to teach you. But if you already know how, you got to help your neighbor, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, now here's the way we start this thing off. Everybody got to get the beat, so we got to bounce up and down a little bit. It's our favorite part. Now you take your two hands and you touch them to your knees. 2 times. You take the same two hands and you clap them together. 2 times. Then you take your hands over, then under, then aka baka, over the shoulder. You got it? I said, are you ready? Can you hear us out there on the boat? Oh yeah. And we're gonna take his hands together now. Oh, let's go!
mockingbird. Hello, hand jive. And if that mockingbird can't sing, hello, hand jive. Papa gonna buy me a diamond ring. Hello, hand jive. If that diamond ring don't shine, hello, hand jive. Papa gonna have me a private eye. Hello, hand jive. And if that private eye can't see, hello, hand jive. Papa gonna bring it on home to me. Hello, hand jive. All right. Okay. One more time. This way. Hey! All around. People came from else to see. Got named Mickey doing the monkey. Doing Mickey's monkey children. Doing Mickey's monkey. Doing Mickey's monkey children. Doing Mickey's monkey. Mickey's monkey. Mickey's monkey. Mickey's monkey children's monkey. Mickey's monkey. Mickey's monkey. Mickey's monkey children's monkey. Along the line. Along the line. Now, do you feel comfortable with the hand jive? Well, that's good, because we're going to do something different. Okay. We're going to change it on you. Yep. We're going to do the Halo hand jive backwards.
Oh, Johnny, I know that. Ready?
Is that how it goes?
That's it. Now, you ready? On a count of 4, backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. What? What are you talking about?
All right. We'll give you a break. Give him a break. Let's back it up and start from the beginning.
Really? Okay. Now we're going to take his dance on home, but in order to do this, we need everybody doing the hand jive with us.
Everybody.
Are you ready? Let's go! Thank you! Oh, yes. Thank you very much. A little song by Bobby Days. He rocks in the treetops all day long, hopping and a bopping and a singing his song. All the little birdies down on Jaybird Street love to hear the rhyme go with sweet, sweet, sweet. Rockin' Robin, rock, rock, rock. Rockin' Robin, rock, rock, rock. Go rockin' Robin, go they really gonna rock tonight. Every little swallow, every chickadee, every little birdie in the tall oak tree. The wise old owl, the big black crow, flapping their wings, singing go cat, go rockin' Robin, rock, rock, rock. Rockin' Robin, rock, rock, rock. Go rockin' Robin, go they really gonna rock tonight. Well, the little waving at the big bandstand, something how to do the bobbing in one strand. Started going steady and bless my soul. He outfoxed the buzzing and the ho-yo. He rocks in the treetops all day long, hopping and bopping and singing his song. Every little birdies on Jaybird Street love to hear the rhyme go with sweet, sweet, sweet. Rockin' Robin, rock, rock, rock. Rockin' Robin, rock, rock, rock. Go rockin' Robin, 'cause they really gonna rock tonight. Let's rock 'em, Robin, hey! does it in the Oreo. He rocks in the treetops all day long, hopping and a bopping and a singing his song. All the little birds, Jaybird Street, floating around the go tweet, 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 rockin' Robin, rock, 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 rockin' Robin, rock, 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 go rockin' Robin, gonna really go rock tonight. Go rockin' Robin, gonna really go rock tonight. Thank you, the national anthem of rock and roll. 1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. Put your glad rags on, join me, I'm gonna have some fun. When the clock strikes one, we're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till broad daylight. Gonna rock around the clock tonight. When the clock strikes 2, 3, and 4, if the band slows down, we'll yell for more. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till broad daylight. Gonna rock around the clock tonight. Take it, KC. When the chimes ring 5, 6, and 7, we'll be flying in 7 pairs. I'm gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till broad daylight. Gonna rock around the clock tonight. When it's 8, 9, 10, 11, 2, I'll be going strong, and so will you. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till broad daylight. Gonna rock around the clock tonight. Jibbo! Introduce everyone up here to you. To the far right of the stage, from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, on keyboards, Mr. Phil Labus, we call him Jibbo. Seen him on the soaps.
So what happened after he climbed up the tower and rescued her?
She rescues him right back.